Today, the 4th of December, we bring you a surprising and very important update on the case of Nnamdi Kanu. As we speak, President Bola Tinubu has officially reached out to the Court of Appeal through the Attorney General of the Federation, AGF, giving one major instruction concerning Kanu's ongoing appeal. In this video, we break down exactly what happened, why the president got involved, and what this means for the political settlement currently underway. How it started. Everything began on the 30th of November, when the governor of Abia State, Dr. Alex Otti, traveled to the Sokoto State Prison to visit Nnamdi Kanu. They discussed possible political solutions and strategies for his release. Shortly after the visit, Otti returned, not to Abia, but to Abuja, where he waited for the right time to meet President Tinubu. That meeting finally held on the 2nd of December inside the presidential villa. Though the meeting was private and no pictures were released, reputable news sources confirmed that the discussion centered on securing Kanu's release through a coordinated political process. Tinubu's directive. After the meeting, the president contacted the AGF, instructing him to take over Kanu's appeal immediately. The instruction was not to stop the appeal, because only Kanu's legal team can withdraw it, but to ensure the appeal does not proceed before political settlement discussions are fully activated. Under Section 174 of the 1999 Constitution, the AGF has full power to take over or discontinue federal criminal cases. Tinubu is simply asking for the judicial process to pause temporarily, not to interfere, so that the political solution can be completed without legal complications. Why the delay is necessary? If the appeal begins now, the government cannot initiate a political settlement without appearing to undermine the judiciary. Putting the appeal briefly on hold allows both parties, FG and Kanu, to negotiate terms, executive pardon or alternative resolutions, a clean and structured settlement process. This is why the AGF informed the Court of Appeal to verify, organize, and prepare all documents, but not rush into hearings yet. Propaganda alert. Over the last few days, several fake AI-generated photos and narratives have circulated online, claiming Kanu is fetching water, cleaning toilets, or has converted to Islam in prison. All of this is false. No image or video has been released from inside Sokoto prison, not even during Governor Otti's official visit. Beware of propaganda designed to mock or mislead the public. Political reactions. The governor of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma, recently claimed he has always supported efforts for Kanu's release, referencing statements from previous years. However, many Nigerians are questioning what he has done this year, especially compared to Alex Otti's active involvement. Enugu State's governor has also indicated willingness to cooperate with Finland if needed in the prosecution of Simon Ekpa, showing how Kanu and Simon's cases are indirectly linked but must remain legally separated. Legal insights. Simon Ekpa's lawyer in Finland has been monitoring Kanu's case closely. He criticized the Nigerian DSS for presenting weak evidence in Kanu's trial, arguing that items like singlet, boxer, and transmitter cannot justify a life sentence. However, he was cautioned not to drag Kanu's case into Simon's legal battles, as both cases are separate. Message to IPOB spokesperson. Kanu's brother recently released a statement using the name Emma Powerful. We strongly advise that the name Emma Powerful be kept away from Kanu's current legal conversations because it has often been associated with conflicting and controversial statements. Anything that complicates Kanu's case at this stage must be avoided. As of 3rd to 4th of December, Alex Otti has played a major role. Tinubu has instructed the AGF to manage the process carefully. The Court of Appeal has been asked to hold proceedings temporarily. A political settlement is now officially in motion. Propaganda must be ignored as the real negotiations unfold. This is the latest situation surrounding Nnamdi Kanu's expected release and the ongoing discussions between state governors, the presidency, and legal teams.